Of immune cells against viruses, and by stimulating the production of immunoglobulins and antibodies. It is therefore very powerful in fighting the effects of HIV and AIDS because of its high glycolipid and cerebroside sulfate content. The association with TN's cordyceps is particularly interesting in this respect. It helps in case of fatigue and maintains a correct sugar level. TN spirulina is useful for the secretion of prostate hormones and thus prevents prostate hypertrophy. It helps in case of cardiovascular diseases because it regulates blood pressure and cholesterol levels. It regulates blood sugar levels and is very indicated in cases of type 1 or type 2 diabetes. TN spirulina restores nutrients balance, regulates the functions of the spleen and stomach, and relieves fatigue. It increases the response speed of nerve cells to make the body more agile. TN spirulina is recommended for everyone: children, teenagers, adults, and the elderly. In case of low immunity, for people who work or live in an environment with poor oxygen and those exposed to radiations in a professional environment, such as the radiology department or a nuclear power plant. For athletes, people with weak and fragile constitution, and those who are looking for increased energy in case of a low-calorie diet. Take TN spirulina and stay at the top of your immunity.